Hello, welcome to Sass with Sabrina. Mallory's going to join us today. We're going to make crystals for the first time. We just have to boil some water, add a ton of salt. We're going to make some shapes with pipe cleaners. We're going to do a star, a fish, and a triangle. And then you pour the solution into some jars, which we have right here. And then wait until they crystallize, a couple days or so, depending on the salt that you use. This one's going to be the star. The red one?
The yellow one wants to be the fish. Oh.
That didn't work out. Let's try again. So you have to get the water right before it boils. And then you're supposed to add more salt than water. Sorry, diamond or triangle?
Triangle. Do the food coloring.
What colors would you like, please? Pick 3.
Blue.
What other color?
Green.
What other color?
Red. I mix the pink to let it will be beautiful.
Yes, you can do that. Oh, lots. That's lots. Good job. Lots, no more. That's lots. Good. Pick the shape that you want to be in the red one. Red and red. That might be enough. Which one did you say? The fish? Maybe put it in sideways?
That's okay. That's pretty good. Awesome. Pretty good. Awesome.
I think it's pretty good awesome too. Okay, so it's a couple days later, probably actually several days later, and only one of them actually turned out. So here is the red star. That one actually has a good start of some crystals. Unfortunately, we did not put enough salt with the amount of water that we had. Double the salt to the water. So as you can see, it's just not enough. And last, here is how, but we had a lot of fun doing that together. We will probably try that again just for like the science aspect of it. Yeah, it was pretty cool. Emily loved it. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I am Mallory,
Yeah.
and it's gonna be good. I only do a little kiss here, and we're gonna do a video. And it's gonna be a quest right there. Yeah. And we're gonna do a video right now. Okay? and let's do the video right now.
Say what we're gonna do.
Yeah. Gonna do a video.
No. What are we gonna do in the video?
What are we gonna do in the video?
I thought you wanted to make a yarn tree. Yeah. No, you're getting too close. I can't break it.
We need buttons.
For a tree?
Yeah. I don't need you in my show.
Oh. Well, what about putting you in your own show?
I'm exercising. My videos.